Today we'll be talking about how to make a simple eternity band ring using Matrix. I'm going here, going to size number 7. Just go to render. Sorry, go to here. This is the ring rail, and size number 7. Click here, and then this is how it appears. Come here and choose the click the rail, and then right click on the middle click on the rail. Okay, so here we will get middle. When I middle click it, there will be a pop-up window like this, eternity ring, and here you can choose how you want the ring to look like. I'm making it look like this, and then clicking here. Okay, so that's how it looks. Beautiful. Okay, and then I'm going to add the gem. Add gems. So I'm going to click on the round. I'm going to say like 3 millimeter. 3 millimeter is a decent size, and then just close the ring thing. See, actually Matrix is a software that works top of Rhino, so it is an add-on. It's like you can they give a lot of controls to choose and edit from. Okay, that's how it is. That's okay. It looks cool. Okay, for that we are going to do some adjustments as you please. Here, this is how the ring looks. Okay, now I'm right clicking on the design, so it's confirmed. Okay, so how am I going to, on the bottom I need a hole so that the light can flow through. So I'm going to click on the stones, cutter, go to the cutter here, select the gems, all the cutters will be selected. Just accept it. Again, right click on it, the cutters will be enabled. Go to boolean, select the object. This is the object, and here go to the thing and right click on it. Right click on the color, all the stone cutter will be selected. Select the cutter, go to boolean. So the boolean is done. So the ring is done pretty much. So this could take hours in Matrix to do it, maybe minimum 20-30 minutes. So thank you so much, and if you like my channel, like and subscribe it. We are putting in a lot of time creating the video and putting it on YouTube, so that we can get more subscribers, and eventually it will benefit the users. And it's 100% free. We will not ask you for any membership or any money or nothing. So kindly leave us a comment if you are looking for any other kind of videos using Jewelry CAD. So we'll be more than happy to put it on our channel for you. Okay, you can send us an email, thaicadservices@gmail.com. Thank you.